Hello all, we are discussing about the control flow activities in Azure Data Factory, and we have already completed with get metadata, filter activity and if activity. Now in this video we'll see how the append activity works and why we will use this append activity. So append activity generally we use if we have a variable of array type and we want to add another value to that array, then we can use the append activity. We can define the variable at a pipeline label, and these variables can be accessed by all these and using the append activity we can add another values to the array. So let's see how we can do this. So this is what we have done in the previous videos: get metadata activity, filter and if condition. So let's create one variable in the pipeline at the pipeline label and we'll add another value to this array variable. So when we'll click on anywhere in the pipeline, then we can see the properties of the pipeline: parameter, variable, output. We can add new parameter here, we can add new variables here. Let's add a variable. And we'll take the type as array type. We can give some value in the default section or we can keep it blank. For now I'm keeping it blank. And as we have already covered the if condition in the previous video, if this activity returns true, then some particular activities will be performed. If it returns false, then there should be some activities to be performed. For now we have not set any activities under these returns, so let's set some activities under this false return. So I am performing the append variable under this. So we'll set the values here in the variable section. I'm selecting the variable which we have created and I can give some value to be added into this variable. So let's validate this. It is successful. We'll publish the changes. The changes are published. Let's debug this pipeline. The pipeline debug is started. So it is successful and we'll see the value also is added to this variable. So this is how we can use the append variable activity. So this can be used in any kind of activities, any kind of other activities for some condition or calculations in the pipeline. So this is how we are using this append variable